Furon A2 pumps are used in the semiconductor industry for the transfer of ultrapure acids, solvents, and abrasive slurries, and for bulk chemical delivery. Furon A2 pumps are pneumatically operated. Driven by two reciprocating PTFE bellows, their oscillating frequency is much lower than an equivalent diaphragm pump, resulting in an extended life and reduced cost of ownership. All Furon A2 pump wetted components are manufactured from high-purity PTFE and PFA, making the pump suitable for handling the most aggressive concentrated chemicals. All other non-wetted components are manufactured from thermoplastics, such as ETFE. These materials ensure the best chemical and mechanical resistance in critical semiconductor manufacturing environments. Furon A2 pumps are also 100% elastomer-free, using our highly reliable no O-ring sealing technology. This substantially reduces the chance of contamination due to a failed O-ring. Finally, Furon A2 pumps feature our innovative shuttle valve fixation technology, allowing us to provide 3 different driving systems to adapt our pumps to a customer's requirements. To learn more about Furon high-purity pumps, visit the Saint-Gobain Process Systems website.